How to fix Pinterest widget. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. In the source bar, search for the application Pinterest. Move into this app. Right here, instead of Open, if you see the option of Update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In this case, click on Update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings on your device. Move into General and then head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, search for the application Pinterest and then move into it. Once you're in this page, tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.